How's it going, guys? So for some reason when I was filming this video, the mic on my GoPro wasn't recording. So for this portion of the video, I'm gonna do a voiceover. So today I'm gonna do something that I don't advise you do if you have a Grom, and that is take it on the freeway. And I know my Grom is fast enough to go on the freeway because I got to go up to 80 in my previous video, but I haven't taken on the freeway yet, so I'm gonna do it for real and see how it performs. And yeah, let's see how it goes. And right here is perfect lighting because you can see the speedometer. I'm at 66 right now, 67. I know that for a while I'm cruising at 70. And the speed limit for the freeway is 70. And if your Grom is going 70, then I don't see why it would be wrong to take your Grom on the freeway. See right here, I think I actually get up to 75. I'm gonna actually have to get over because this semi is slowing me down. Yes, you actually get over. Look at that, man. Who says you can't take a Grom on the freeway? And I noticed I couldn't get it to go up to 80 again. Right here I'm at 75. And I think I stay in this lane. I stay in the right lane because cars to the left of me were going pretty fast and I didn't feel safe getting over. Okay, so I'm getting off the freeway now. So for some reason I couldn't get up to 80 this time. But I think I know the reason why. It's because it was pretty windy this day. And if you have wind going against you and a little Grom, that could be a big difference. And yeah, if any of you guys live in the high desert, Hesperia, Apple Valley, Victorville area, hit me up and let's go for a ride. I'm always down to meet new riders and go out for a ride, man. Let's make it happen.
Alright, so one thing I want to talk about today is something I added on my bike, and it's really useful and helpful. They are Thrashin supply saddlebags. The same one, like the one right here, the bar bag, Thrashin supply. But I got the saddlebags also. I think they're are they called the Escape? If I'm not mistaken. I believe they're the Escape model. But yeah, I'll pull over right now and show you guys what they look like. Maybe I should get some tacos right here. What is that? Just barbecue. Oh. Smells good. Whatever it is. Delivery traffic only. How about I do a wheelie? Anyways, I got sidetracked. I was gonna pull over. Let's go through the dirt. I know some people do put dirt tires on their Groms and take them on the trails and stuff. It might be something I'll do one of these days. wanted to pull over where there's not much cars around. I think this spot is as good as any. Okay. And here they are right here. So I got my camera in here actually. Let me switch and we'll record on the Canon. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, so this video quality should be a lot better than the GoPro. You can see right now I'm carrying my wallet, a tripod, and you can see I put gloves in here and just any like water bottles, anything like that it'll come in handy for. I like them because I don't have to wear a backpack, and I freaking hate wearing a backpack when I'm riding, and then my back gets all sweaty. See that? It's really spacious. I'm not even using this one, I'm only using one, but if I need it, it's there. And then there's another pocket in the front right here, just for quick access to things. That's how it looks from behind, and you can see it doesn't stick out far at all. It doesn't even go past the cage, how far the cage sticks out. I'm really pleased with them because I like to have a spot to put my things, and I liked this one on the front on the bar. This one's also Thrashing supply. I'll show you what I keep in here. This is a power bank, so I could keep my phone charged and my 360 GoPro charged. And what else I got in here? Well, here's a little thing to tighten up the GoPros right there. Just keep that in there. And yeah, Thrashing supply has been really useful as far as my Grom goes. Yep. You see I got this mounted. That's how I get my 360 views. I might get a 360 view before I leave. And yeah, I'm probably gonna stop and get some food right now, and I'll drop it in here just to show you guys how good it works. Yeah. Alright, let's go get some food. I'm starving. What should I get? Let's go hit up Freddy's. This place is bomb. I love the fries there. Here we are. Stop sign. Why is there a stop sign right here? I guess. Here it is, guys. Freddy's. I love these fries. Freddy's frozen custard steak burgers, it says, but these burgers are freaking bomb. So you can see the sign right there. Oh, here it is. It's the sign right there. Big ass ice cream statue thing. But you gotta try it with this fry sauce. It's freaking bomb. Dip the fries in it. I'm getting messy. But anyways, I'm gonna tear this up and I'll be right back. So yeah, that was good. And I was gonna buy food to go and then show you guys how the saddlebag looked with food in it, but that didn't go as planned. But anyways, I'll just put my camera in here and I'll show you guys. I'll put my wallet. Yeah, see, so I'm sure you guys get the gist of it. And you know, you could put like a spare t-shirt and maybe not a big jacket, but maybe a light jacket, like a light sweater would work. I got my other GoPro. I'm gonna set up the 360 camera on the rear view this time. Awesome. Alright, let's get out of here.
Okay, so before ending the video, I realized I didn't show you guys how I installed these bags on the bike. So I'm gonna show you that right now. And you see, I put the strap underneath the seat. So let's take off the seat, turn the key, and lift up the seat. There it goes. You can see the strap that connects them both. I didn't just put it straight over like how on other bikes it would work, but on this one it wouldn't work because these loops need to go underneath the seat so it wouldn't close all the way. So there's these little gaps in between the plastics and the frame, and these come off, so I had to feed it through and pull it out. I had to use needle nose pliers to pull it because it was such a tight and hard pull. Same thing on this side, but I got it through and I pulled them pretty much as far as it could go, and I just connected them and then put the seat on. Let's see, just like that, and then they're really secure. They don't slide back and forth or anything, and you see they're not. Maybe I'll think of a way to secure them from that, but as far as they are right now, like, it doesn't bother me with them being loose like that. Like, I could easily take them off if I needed to, but yeah, yep, that's how I installed them. So yeah, thank you for watching that, guys. That's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for sticking around and watching the full thing, but anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.